In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Merrill Edge. If you want to install the Merrill Edge app on either Android or iPhone, the process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. To begin, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start, because that will help the app download smoothly and avoid interruptions during installation. Once you're in the store, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Merrill Edge or Merrill Edge Investing. This should bring up the official app in the search results. Take your time here because with financial apps, it's important to choose the correct one and avoid downloading anything with a similar name that is not official. When you see the app, select Merrill Edge, Investing and Trading. Before downloading, check the publisher name carefully. It should be listed as Bank of America. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it helps confirm that you are installing the legitimate app from the official source. After you've confirmed that it's the correct app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, and if prompted, confirm the download using your usual device verification method. The app will then begin downloading and installing automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. From there, you can sign in using your Merrill or Bank of America account. If you don't already have an account, you'll also see the option to create one. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Before you start using the app, keep a few important tips in mind. Only download apps published by Bank of America or Merrill through the official App Store. Be cautious of apps with similar names, especially when dealing with investing or financial services. Also, while the Merrill Edge app is free to install, investing features require an account. And that's it. That's how to download Merrill Edge on both Android and iPhone. Once it's installed, you'll be ready to access your investing tools directly from your phone.